Digital marketing roadmap. If you're a brand looking for a digital marketing agency or building your own agency, it's for you both. So listen very carefully. Step 1. Define your niche and your audience. You should know who you are serving to, what problem you are solving, and why should someone choose you. See, without clarity, marketing becomes so expensive. So you need to be ready with all three answers. Step 2. Build the foundation. A clear landing page, strong messaging, and simple call to action is really important. This is the place where actually conversions happen. Step 3. Create valuable content. Content educates your audience, build authority, and fuels every marketing channel. You also need to calculate what all platforms are important in your case and which content should go where. Step 4. Bring attention to your business. If you have a website, then SEO is must for organic reach, or else Google My Business is sufficient. Social media builds trust and brand awareness. Don't go after likes and followers. It's very difficult to get traffic on business related pages in an initial stage. Paid ads bring immediate traffic, and email helps you stay connected with interested customers. Step 5. Conversion. All the traffic leads to one place only, conversion. So clear landing page, simple buying journey, and strong offer is equally important. That's where sales happen. Step 6. Optimize and scale. Check what brings leads, what converts, and improve it. That's how digital marketing works. If you're a business, know what you need: leads, sales, or awareness. Don't go for cheap, ask for a strategy, not pitch deck. Start with a 3-month trial and track revenue, not just likes. Right agency won't just run ads, they will grow your business. Step 7. Build trust and retention. Getting customers are good, but customer retention is a real task nowadays. To make sure customer becomes loyal and engaging, use email follow-ups, valuable content, and very strong customer service. Step 8. Build system and automation. As your business started to grow, manual work becomes so difficult. So you need a system, CRM tools, automated email sequences, lead tracking, marketing automation. This ensures that every lead is followed and no opportunity is lost. Step 9. Build brand authority. Authority makes marketing much easier. Start sharing valuable insights, real case studies, client testimonials, podcast, webinar, practical industry knowledge. Distribute this content across multiple platforms through an omni-channel presence so people keep seeing your expertise everywhere. When audiences repeatedly see useful content from you, they begin to trust you faster and conversions become much easier. Step 10. Create a growth engine. At this stage, your efforts should start returning rewards. Your content brings attention, ads drive traffic, funnels convert visitors into customers, and your system nurture the relationship you build over time. That's it for the digital marketing roadmap. If you have any concern, questions, doubt, please comment below. We are soon launching our second video. So if you want to stay updated with the digital trends, do follow us. Till then, shout out of the box. Namaskar. Goodbye.